We have a 1.6 GPF/6.0 Lpf Toto toilet with an Anti Siphon 528 CMax flushing system. Water is squirting out of the CMax flushing system and causes the tank to fill intermittently. Can I purchase a replacement kit?
Welcome, my name is. I will do my best to help with your issue. Are you talking about the fill valve? The valve that lets the water into the tank?
Yes. When the tank is being filled, water squirts out of the blue plastic CMax cap and the water fills on an intermittent basis until the tank is filled.
Okay, then your best bet is to replace the fill valve. The original brand is a suitable replacement but would not be my choice or the choice of most of my fellow tradesmen. I'd suggest you get a Fluidmaster fill valve. They are available just about everywhere. They come with good instructions and cost around $15. It's a much more reliable product than what you have now.
I thought I was on the Toto plumbing website since that was what I was trying to access. When its site I got said Toto expert, I thought I was on the company's website, not the JustAnswer website.
Okay, did you try my solution? Considering Toto's best an inferior fill valve for their product, I'd say you got better advice here. Here at JustAnswer you got the unbiased advice of a plumber with 40+ years of experience who's had the chance to see how various products perform in the real world.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.